checking in from Fisher Paykel Appliances. I am here today at ABW Silver Spring in Maryland, looking at our very beautiful, freshly installed new display, and I'm super excited to talk about our column refrigeration. So over here you see this is our contemporary handle column kit. It is a really beautiful, again, design aesthetic. It's going to be a little bit more modern. This is our 30-inch column as well as our 18-inch column over here. We have fluctuation in our zones, so you have a difference in performance depending on your lifestyle, so you have the flexibility to change both different zones. In addition to this, we give you a beautiful stainless steel interior as well as an internal water dispenser. And again, really beautiful features, even simple things like over here in the butter. This is something so small but I love, but it's a beautiful soft close. It's not snapping your hand. Because of our active smart technology, which is another thing that's really important to our refrigeration products, we also do not use a heater kit in our products, which actually, again, we've done a lot of research, utilizes almost as much energy as another unit. So we are a very sustainable company based in New Zealand. Sustainability is very important to us, and so we're utilizing as little energy as possible while keeping your food incredibly fresh. So again, this is our beautiful column set here from Fisher Paykel.